Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add logo as a watermark in CapCut. Alright, select your video to the track and prepare your logo. Just import and just put on top the video, which is as an overlay, so you can resize. And usually for the watermark, it's transparent, so you can adjust for the mode of lane. Select mode of lane here. Select overlay, and you can adjust for the opacity, like so. Alright, so super simple. This is the final result you'll have on your video. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.